Hey guys, this is me again. But if I hit 50 subscribers, I will do my other puppy reveal. I actually have two, but the other one that's still living is uh, male. And please hit help me go to 50 subscribers at April 13 because that's his birthday. Yeah. He will be 1 years old in April 13. So I will do a games reveal and apps. So this is my games. I play Mobile Legends, Roblox. I have fake Minecraft because I don't have US dollars. I live in the Philippines. Ibis Paint X. I do ugly arts. I will not show you. A Supreme Duelist. Yeah, this is fun. This is my Google apps. I put YouTube there because YouTube's just so awesome. Yeah. I use maps. My map is actually connected to our car. I have Messenger and Facebook. I use Messenger to chat with my friends, my family, like that. And Facebook is actually connected. Like I share stories and stuff. But mostly I share out YouTube. And this is my camera or recorder apps. Wait, I'll do something. No, I hate my keyboard. That's better. Camera recorder apps. I use two cameras when one is terrible, but mostly I use the silver camera. Then I use X recorder to make videos. I also have messages and phone just in case I have no Wi-Fi because Messenger and Facebook needs Wi-Fi. And I have these. I have clock. My mom set this up. I wake up at 7:20 a.m. because I need school. Tokyo Sunday, April 9 is 10:25 p.m. New York Sunday, April 9 to 9:25 a.m. Maybe Tokyo is p.m. So Tokyo is like night. London Sunday, April 9, 2:25 p.m. Oh, it's afternoon. Good afternoon, London. Good morning, New York and Tokyo. Good night. I have two timers. I actually like singing, guys. Yeah, I use Play Store, my Google apps again. And I got so many notifications because of this useful app. Share it! It lets me share apps, but I have a problem. Yeah, it's so hard to explain. My problem is actually I don't receive the app that they share because I got blocked. I'm blocked at having apps because you also need Google to check. This is my Amazon app. My mom put this Amazon Shopping Kindle, I think, and Artifact for fun. Yeah, my apps again, and this is it. Yeah, I will show you my YouTube account. Bro, why am I at home? Yeah, I have 86 downloads, but all became this. I watch Mason. Just yeah, my videos. Make sure to watch playing Valentine OV. Rip my Shih Tzu name Missy, age 2 months old, cause of death sickness. Make sure to watch playing hide and seek extreme part 2, playing Never Have I Ever, and playing Pet Simulator X with my BFF, playing Car Dealership Tycoon with RLV273, playing Roblox Don't Press the Button without my best friend, and my first video April 5, 2023. I forgot to put the title. I have one short. Yeah, I'm not great at editing. It's like harsh. This is not true. I have more. I have so many favorite guys. I watch Waffle Folk and I mean Waffle Wolf, not Waffle Fox. Fox. I don't really watch my videos, but I watch Wolf, but not really much because I get busy with Linky Box. These I subscribe to all of these. There's more. This is subscription. This is where I made shorts, upload the video, and I never go live. And this is shorts.
Don't scroll away, because I'm about to show you what
Okay,
it
let's
actually
watch this
looked
one
like when
second.
Jesus walked on water. Check it out.
You know, that's actually cool. I'm a Christian. My religion is Christianity. I don't care what's your religion. I just care about you. I love y'all guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and share
Be of good
with your
cheer.
friends and your
Yes,
family.
I.
Like and subscribe.
If you want to see Jesus
Up
one
here.
day, click the video that I pinned in the comments right now.
I'm so
And
busy.
subscribe.
But
You
I
will learn more
love
about the
Jesus.
Bible. Is there?
Oh, I watch Ian Boggs. By the way. Oh, Pele! I already watched this God message for you today. I forgot what to tell you guys. But I love y'all. I watch all of these. I love y'all guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends and your family. If you're allowed to use their gadgets, make sure to subscribe to my channel. But if they have no a YouTube account, just don't do it. I love y'all. I love normal people, even though they don't subscribe. Even haters hate me. I don't care. I love everyone that is good, and because I have a big heart, I'm nice. You guys are all awesome, good, loving, and caring. You are all great, well, and awesome again. Please, guys, like and subscribe for more epic content. I hope I get many views for you. Bye, guys. See you next